Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Mac OS. If you're familiar with Microsoft Edge from Windows and want to use it on your Mac, you're in the right place. To get started, open the Safari browser and search for Microsoft Edge. Click on the official link from Microsoft.com. Don't worry, I'll provide the download link in the description box below. Once you're on the official website, click on the Download for Mac OS button. You'll need to accept Microsoft's software license terms by clicking on Accept and Download. The download size is around 400 megabytes, so it might take a few minutes to complete. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. You'll see the Microsoft Edge installer window. Here, click Continue, then select Install. Enter your Mac password when prompted and click Install Software. Now, wait for the installation process to finish. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying Installation was successful. Click Close to exit the installer. You'll also be asked if you'd like to remove the installer file. Click Move to Trash to delete it and free up space. To open Microsoft Edge, go to Launchpad, search for Microsoft Edge, and click on it. The browser will launch and you're all set to start browsing. If you want to access Microsoft Edge quickly, you can pin it to the dock. Simply right-click on the Edge icon, hover over Options, and click Keep in Dock. This way, you can open it easily whenever you need it. And that's it. That's how you can install and set up Microsoft Edge on Mac OS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.